Imran Khan is alive, but he's not well. He may physically be well, but he is mentally tortured. He has been held for almost an entire month, completely incommunicado, with the court instructed visiting rights of his sisters and contact by phone with his two sons in England has been completely denied. He's in solitary confinement and not allowed to talk to anybody at all. He is incommunicado. He's now been held for years on one bogus charge after another, which keep getting defeated in the courts, and then another bogus charge on the steps of the court after his acquittal is produced and he's dragged off again to Adiala jail. He is being kept in C class, a death cell. C class, the lowest class of prison cell in Pakistan. It's literally, in his case, a death cell with no contact with any human being. And even when the High Court in Lahore instructs the army chief to allow visiting and telephone communication with his family, communication with his lawyers, communication with his party men, even when the court instructs, this is not done. So I've now got an absolutely viral, millions of views on all platforms of the simple statement: free Imran Khan, you fools. Free him because he's the elected Prime Minister. If there were elections in Pakistan, he would again sweep to power. But fools, because what do you imagine you can gain from this cruel and inhuman treatment of a man widely revered in Pakistan and widely respected across the globe? This man was, after all, the captain of the Pakistan cricket team when it was at its greatest.